Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. And if you're new to this channel, kindly smash on the subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so anytime I upload a new video, you guys will be notified. So here in this video, I'm going to be looking at how to get paid on Fiverr using Payoneer account. So literally, there are different ways you can actually get paid on Fiverr platform, and then there are kind of like 2 to 3 options in which you can actually use to get payment on while you work on the Fiverr platform. And the 2 payments are, which is Payoneer and then and PayPal. So it actually depends on which one you actually want to use to get paid on Fiverr platform. So, and on Payoneer option, there are 2 options on Payoneer, which is Fiverr revenue card and bank transfer. So I make use of Fiverr revenue card since I actually want to withdraw the money to my Payoneer account. So, and if you want the Payoneer to send the payment to your bank account, so this is the option for you, which is bank transfer. And if you actually want to use PayPal, so this is another option for you to withdraw your money through PayPal. So the reason why these options are unclickable is the fact that there is no available balance. So if there is available balance, I'll be able to click on this option. As you can see here, cash can only be withdrawn in USD. Minimum amount is $30, as you can see here. So on the PayPal option, even though you have $1 on PayPal option, you'll be able to withdraw, but the minimum amount you can withdraw using Payoneer is $30. And same thing goes to this, but I think on bank transfer you can actually transfer any amount as well, just like PayPal. So since last year, Payoneer and PayPal have went into business with the fact that if you make any withdrawal, Payoneer will charge $3 upon every withdrawal you make from Fiverr to Payoneer. So Fiverr will not tell you that there is a fee or any charges between, but once you send the money to your Payoneer account, so once you check on your balance, you will see that $3 have been deducted from your account. So these $3 serve as a fee whereby Payoneer use to keep your money safe with them, or I should call it like a fee whereby they also charge for being intermediary between you and the Fiverr marketplace. So, and when they just started this thing, I actually mad at them, and I'm not really happy to the fact that they are charging $3. But at the end of the day, I realized that at least one should be able to get paid for any stress or what that kind of person actually went through. So, and I guess $3 is not actually much, but if you want to be on the safer side, so I suggest you make sure that you are withdrawing your earnings on a monthly basis, so that there won't be a option whereby you just be paying $30 upon every withdrawal, and at the end of the day you will be at loss, because if you withdraw like 3 to 4 times in a month, so that is around over closing to $20 for withdrawing. So why don't you just wait till the end of the month, then you collect all your earnings together, and they'll still charge just $3 for one transaction. So I guess this is actually a nice option, and more, it actually make more sense, because there are a lot of people who are actually just withdrawing, and with that kind of method, I don't think you are being on the safer side, and this platform will just be making money from you, like you're making what it's not supposed to be. So just what you actually just want to do is just make sure you are withdrawing your earnings at the end of the month, and at the end of the day you will notice that you still have a lot with you. So, but this is just about someone who is actually making any good amount of money from Fiverr platform. So this is just the method on how you can actually get paid on Fiverr using Payoneer. And if you are just new, so once you click on this, so it will pop up that you should verify your phone number. So a code will be sent to that phone number you use. So once the code is sent to that phone number, then you input the code, then an email from Payoneer will be sent to you. An email from PayPal will be sent to you. So linking your Payoneer account to your Fiverr account. So once you link both together, then you'll be able to withdraw from Fiverr to your Payoneer account, and you'll be able to see that money on your Payoneer account after some minutes. Then you'll be able to, you can also use that to withdraw to your bank or gift out to people who might actually need your help. And so once your money is in your Payoneer account, I think you know the next thing to do from there. So this is just what I have for you in this video. And if you have any question, can I drop a comment and I'll reply to it as soon as possible. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.